9 out of every 10 car owners don't understand why their battery keeps dying unexpectedly. They're wasting hundreds of dollars replacing batteries when the real problem is actually hiding right in front of them. But here's the truth. Your battery isn't failing because it's defective or manufactured poorly. Most car owners are literally killing their batteries without even realizing it. One simple mistake could extend your battery life by several years, and you've probably been making multiple mistakes your entire life. Before wasting thousands on battery replacements, here are 20 car battery mistakes that mechanics don't want you discovering. Don't skip this video. This will save you money. Let's start with mistake number 20. Turning off the car immediately after heavy electrical load. Picture this carefully. You're driving on a cold winter morning. Your defrost is blasting full, heated seats are running hard, headlights are on full brightness, ventilation fan is maxed completely. Most people drive a short distance then immediately kill the engine. Here's what mechanics won't tell you. Your battery needs serious recovery time after heavy electrical demand. When you turn off the car immediately after maximum electrical load, the battery doesn't get any chance to recharge. But there's a catch most car owners miss completely. You need to let the car idle for at least 3 minutes after heavy electrical use. The alternator works hard, cutting through the drain like nothing else, rebuilding battery charge slowly. Let it sit for 3 minutes exactly. Then, you can turn off safely. Crystal clear logic here. Here's the irony. Mechanics absolutely understand this problem. They've seen it in customer cars many times. Then customers complain about premature battery failure constantly. Now, you know better. Mistake number 19. Extreme vibration and loose battery hold down bracket. Battery boxes aren't just there for looks or safety. The secure hold is absolutely critical for internal battery structure integrity. Loose batteries vibrate constantly while driving, causing serious internal plate damage. Professionals know this battery damage from constant vibration is completely silent. You don't see anything wrong until suddenly the battery dies. A loose hold down costs nothing to fix but ruins batteries incredibly fast. Check your battery support right now. Tighten it down completely. Most people never check this simple thing. Mistake number 18. Using power outlets when the car is parked off. Your 12-volt power outlets seem harmless when the car is parked. Your dashboard seems disconnected. But many modern cars keep certain ports powered even when the engine shuts down. Some aftermarket USB chargers, dash cams, and power accessories stay plugged in and powered. The drain is slow but accumulates over weeks and months. This costs hundreds of dollars in battery replacement over time. That auto shop charged you how much for battery diagnosis? Yeah, I thought so. Speaking of hidden issues, this next one involves something most people never think about completely. Mistake number 17. Trunk or door switch misreads and keeps modules awake. Your car has multiple door and trunk sensors. The vehicle thinks a door is still open even when it's closed. This prevents normal sleep mode from activating. Modern cars go through elaborate power-down sequences at night. Faulty switches break this entire process. The electrical modules stay partially awake constantly. This parasitic drain kills batteries in days sometimes. The fix is simple. Clean or replace the faulty sensor. But most people don't know this exists. Mistake number 16. Aftermarket accessories installed completely wrong. Dash cams, amplifiers, LED lights, and alarm systems seem simple to install, but improper installation is a nightmare. Direct wiring without proper fuses and relays creates permanent drain problems. Some installations even cause charge instability instead of steady power. The battery cycles wildly between different states. This accelerated aging kills it in months, not years. Professional installation costs extra, but saves your battery. Mistake number 15. Just jump-starting it too often damages battery life. Jump-starting seems innocent enough. Your dead battery gets external power and the car starts. But repeated jump starts force the battery through deep discharge cycles. Deep cycling breaks down internal battery plates permanently. Some battery types handle this better than others, but repeated jumping always damages battery lifespan. Modern cars need proper diagnosis before jumping. Mistake number 14. Battery age matters more than people realize. Here's the secret mechanics don't want you knowing. Beyond a certain age, even if the battery still cranks the engine, it can fail suddenly without warning. Most batteries give almost no warning before complete failure. People expect gradual decline, but batteries don't work that way. 5-year-old batteries can die instantly. This is why mechanics charge so much for replacements. They know the drama happens suddenly. Replace batteries before 5 years old. Mistake number 13. Dirty ground strap and bad engine ground connection. The ground cable from the chassis to the engine sits hidden and unnoticed completely. Corrosion builds up slowly over time. Nobody checks it until electrical problems appear. A dirty ground creates irregular charging patterns. The alternator works harder trying to charge through resistance. Symptoms include strange electrical glitches and random warning lights. The battery seems fine, but everything electrical acts strange. Clean the ground strap annually. Mistake number 12. Leaving the car sitting unused for weeks. A car sitting for weeks or months slowly drains the battery even without electronics running. In winter, especially, the battery voltage drops below safe levels. Once voltage drops too far, the battery chemistry degrades. The longer a car sits, the more damage happens. If you don't drive, regularly charge the battery every 2 weeks. Mistake number 11. Keyless fobs stored too close to the car. This one sounds crazy, but it's real on many vehicles. When the key fob sits near the car constantly, some vehicles respond by waking up systems more frequently. The car thinks you're nearby, so it activates convenience features. This constant waking draws power slowly. Store your keys away from the car overnight. Mistake number 10. Battery sensor, or IBS, not reset after replacement. Many modern cars have battery monitoring sensors. When you replace the battery, the car doesn't automatically know about the new one. The old sensor data confuses the charging system. The new battery doesn't get charged correctly. Some cars charge too little, others charge too much. This shortened lifespan happens because the sensor wasn't reset. After replacement, take it to a mechanic to register the new battery. Mistake number 9. Start-stop systems need the right battery type. This is a common mistake nobody talks about. Start-stop technology requires special AM or FB batteries. People put standard lead-acid batteries on start-stop cars thinking it's the same. Standard batteries can't handle the constant charging and discharging cycles. The lifespan drops dramatically short. Always use the correct battery type. Mistake number 8. Driving with low voltage causes phantom problems. When battery voltage drops too low, strange things happen. Random warning lights appear and disappear constantly. The start-stop system disables itself randomly. Electrical bugs plague the computer. People run around replacing sensors and modules randomly. But the real problem is low voltage from the dying battery. The battery causes the phantom problems, not the other components. Fix the battery first, before replacing anything else. Mistake number 7. Weak alternator or bad voltage regulation. Your battery depends completely on the alternator for charging while driving. A weak alternator doesn't charge properly. Some alternators charge too much, damaging the battery. Bad voltage regulation creates chaos. The battery never stabilizes at safe voltage levels. It slowly dies from improper charging. Have the alternator tested if the battery dies repeatedly. Mistake number 6. Old battery plus modern cars equals too many electronics. Modern cars consume power even when parked. Keyless entry systems, climate modules, alarm systems, and infotainment systems all stay partially awake. An older battery designed for simple cars can't handle modern power demands. A weak battery fails to support all these systems. Replace it with a battery rated for your specific vehicle. Mistake number 5. Heat kills batteries faster than cold. Most people think cold kills batteries, but they're wrong. Cold reveals weakness, but doesn't create it. Heat actually accelerates the aging process dramatically. Battery chemicals break down faster in high temperatures. Summer sun bakes the battery under the hood. Extreme heat shortens lifespan more than any winter cold ever could. Mistake number 4. Loose or dirty connections mimic a dead battery. This is the mechanic's favorite trick to charge you money. Dirty, corroded battery terminals look terrible. Loose connections rattle and shake. The car won't start or start slowly. People assume the battery is dead. But simple cleaning and tightening fixes everything. The battery was actually fine the whole time. Cleaning terminal corrosion takes 5 minutes. Mistake number 3. Corrosion on terminals isn't just cosmetic damage. Terminal corrosion looks ugly but does real damage. Corrosion increases electrical resistance dramatically. The battery struggles to deliver proper current. Cold starts become weak and slow. The alternator works harder trying to charge through the corrosion layer. This extra stress ages the battery faster. Clean white powder corrosion regularly. Mistake number 2. Parasitic drain from something staying on when car is off. This is the silent battery killer. Dash cams, GPS trackers, amplifiers, trunk lights, and glove box lights stay powered after the engine shuts down. Custom modules and security systems draw power constantly. A single parasitic drain of 1 amp kills a battery in days. Most people never identify the drain. The battery dies, and they assume it was old. Find and eliminate parasitic drains before they destroy your battery. Mistake number 1. Short trips don't recharge the battery fully. This is the biggest battery mistake everyone makes. Modern cars need highway driving to fully charge the battery. Short city drives and quick errands don't let the alternator work enough. The battery stays partially discharged after every trip. Many short trips equal a battery in constant debt. Over time, this incomplete charging ages the battery dramatically. The battery never gets fully charged and healthy again. Take long highway drives regularly to fully recharge the battery. If this video just saved you hundreds of dollars on battery replacements or made you realize you've been killing your battery, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button right now. Your wallet will thank you for sticking around. By the way, did you know there are more car care mistakes that can save you lots and lots of money? Click this video right now.